Hi, it's Rez here from DS All-in-One Solution. We are here in by Limpopo. We did install for the lights, and this is very powerful light. We put the pole, and you can see it's make like a day. You can see how bright, and the time is like 9 o'clock. You can see because that side is dark because of this shade is blocking the light. And we are putting for the cameras here, and we did for the electric fencing, we did install for the gate motors, we did for IDS alarm system, we did for the swimming pool. So all this maintenance we have did, and we are busy also for the pool. We did the remarbalite. Let me show you. You see, now we are putting the water. We just finished up for the marble light, and there's another light, we put it there. This is a guest house. It's gonna be open maybe after tomorrow. We almost done everything. You can see like it's a day. This is very bright light here. This is a pole we're gonna put tomorrow. We make it, and this pole we put it today also. And this is like a street light. So we did lots of work here, like a full maintenance. We did painting, we did electrical, we did solar, and we also busy for the solar system here. This is our car. We come from the job work. Let me show you for the solar system. Okay, this is the one we are putting 5 kV system, and with the 2 batteries. So this we are doing everything. That's why we are say all-in-one solution, and solution beyond boundary. So we did all maintenance. We did welding, pellicite, electric fence also we're gonna put it. All right, thank you so much, guys.